We learned earlier that fireworks are able to burn and explode underwater because they contain a waterproof fuse and their own source of oxygen. So you can watch this M500 firecracker explode underwater inside this plastic cup. And here it is exploding in a small plastic tank of water. In slow motion, you can watch for the forces being transferred from the firecracker to the water to the container. But do you think the forces produced would be strong enough to shatter a container made of ice? So now's the time to vote. Stay together or shatter.